Hello students, welcome to this educational channel. Do you like and subscribe if it is worth? I hope these solutions will definitely help you to increase your knowledge. So in continuation, today we will start class 9th physics chapter motion NCERT questions of page number 107. So let's begin. The first question here it says, what is the nature of distance time graphs for uniform and non-uniform motion of an object? So here we are talking about the distance time graph. We know if distance time graph is there and if it is a straight line parallel to time axis, right? Then what we have here for time axis, definitely we have if a line is parallel to your x-axis, then definitely it is at rest, correct? And if the line is in a curve, right, any curve, then definitely it is non-uniform motion. And the third one, if the line is a straight line, then it is uniform motion. Okay, so the same we will write over here also. The distance time graph, the distance time graph is a straight line for is a straight line for uniform motion and a curved line for non-uniform motion. Whenever a straight line is there, we call it as uniform motion, and if one curve is also there, we call it as non-uniform motion. Okay, you can draw these two curves also with this. This is distance time graph. Now we'll go for the question number 2. What can you say about the motion of an object whose distance time graph is a straight line parallel to time axis? Already we discussed over here. If this is your time axis, always on x-axis you will plot time. And if a line is parallel to this, it means its distance is not changing, right? So that's why we say here, if distance time graph is a straight line parallel to time axis, that means x-axis, right? Time axis, it means that distance of object remains constant, right? Distance of object or distance traveled by object remains constant. And if it is constant, therefore the object is not moving. It means, therefore, the object is not moving. And if the object is not moving, it means it is at rest, right? So, it is at rest, correct. We'll see question number 3. What can you say about the motion of an object if its speed time graph is a straight line parallel to time axis? Now we are talking about uh, speed and time graph. If it is parallel to x-axis, that means time axis, then what will happen? It is what condition? It is the condition of speed, that it is constant. And if constant speed is there, it means velocity is not changing, then the acceleration is 0, right? If speed speed time graph is same as with what we call it as velocity time graph. Okay. If speed time graph is a straight line parallel to time axis, right? It means the speed of object, the straight line always shows no change, है ना? The speed of object or velocity of object remains constant, remains constant. And constant, it means velocity is not changing, and if velocity is not changing, then there is no acceleration. So there is no acceleration, because if there is change in velocity, then only acceleration is produced. The last one, what is the quantity which is measured by the area occupied below the velocity time graph? We have this velocity time graph, and if we want to find out what is the quantity under this curve, right? So it always gives you the distance traveled by that object, correct? So we'll write the area occupied below the velocity, time graph is a measure of distance traveled by that object. Distance traveled by the object or body, whatever is written over in the question, right? By the object. So I hope this will help you. Thank you.